Hi, welcome to the store. So I'm looking to see that you wanted to buy nail polish. Yes, we have a variety of nail polishes. Since it's summer, I'm assuming you want bright colors, so I put these ones up. We have some Dior, Givenchy, some OPI, some Lancome, and we also have, sorry about that, some Chanel, so there you go. These are the colors I recommend for summer. They're more bright. We have other colors here just in case. And this one. But I think that since it's summer, like I said, I'm sorry, you can probably like these colors better. From Etsy also, and some Dior. So, yeah, this is more like a pinkish. It's called Lucky 6, 5, and 9. This is more like a orange. It's called let me see, Rivera 537. This is just a top coat. This one is again another orange from Chanel. It's called Holiday 617. And we have a peachy color here from Givenchy. And this one, it's 04. This is another peachy color from Lancome. And this one only has a number, it's 112B. It's not focused. Okay. So, yeah, they definitely work really good. I like Dior. For some reason, a lot more. I would recommend something like this. It's more orange and peachy. You know, the bright colors are in right now. Or from Chanel, we also have this one, which is very pretty. And this one also. Yes. Sure, I will put this. Yes, I will put this for you aside. Oh, you like this one too? Yes, it's very, very pretty color. It's more like a pink, peachy color maybe. Okay, well then I will get this too for you. Oh, the top coat. It says gel coat because it's just a little more thick. thicker than normal, but then the other ones is a little thicker, but it just works. Like, you don't need any machine or anything, just put it on like a top coat. Okay, then I will say you will like this 5. All right, I'll put this away from you, and thank you, Kim. Let's go to the register.